Namaskar dosto. Welcome to your own channel. Now let's see the weekly analysis of the Nifty 50. What a week! In this Nifty 50. Let's see. Almost Nifty touch at the 18,000 level, and then there is a profit booking starts. And in last trading session, the Nifty uh, closed at 17,532. Now this gives a signal towards the bearishness. Okay, so this bearishness may be continue towards the 17,000 or 17,100. Let's see at the 1 day candles, okay, or 1 day chart. Now see at the 1 day chart. Now this is what the 20-day moving exponential average. Now 20-day moving exponential average. So the Nifty is or taking support almost 50-day moving exponential average, as well as sometimes the 20-day moving exponential average. Now it is at support, it is at the support of what 20-day moving exponential average. Now it has taken the support at 17,480, and again some kind of buying shown here. Okay, so now the Nifty closing position is 17,532. So let us assume that now this is what the support zone. Okay, so this is exact support zone where the Nifty up to this Nifty can fall, that is 17,250. Okay, so and once again after that 750, again it will retrace towards again 70,500 or again the 18,000, but 18,000 it will not cross maybe in this month, because the company's results are pending and they will be okay declared very soon. So this is regarding what the Nifty 50 weekly view. The market will remain bearish. Okay, remain bearish or slightly consolidated. Let us see those stocks who can which can buy in this week, and which can give 5 to 10% within 15 to 20 days. The very first stock is Coffee Day Enterprises. All you know what is coffee, who is Coffee Day Enterprises. That is what the CCD. Okay, we very well known about what the CCD. Okay, it is a restaurant which where we can purchase the coffees, the varieties of coffees, etc, etc. Okay, cold coffee, varieties of cold coffee. So this is what the business of Coffee Day Enterprises Limited. Now return, it has given the returns more than FD. Entry point is good time to consider overbought zone, that is not in overbought zone, no red flag. So company has given what in last day 4.5% return, in 1 week 3.53%, and in 1 month 11.57% return. So it is a good stock, and it is a the very good point for the investment. Now key metrics, though it is showing negative, because in last year there was a pandemic, lockdown, etc, etc, so that's why the business fall down. But now the everywhere the lockdown open, so the people can visit the Coffee Day shops. Okay, and they can enjoy their drinks as well as beverages. So these are their brands. Okay, Coffee Day, Coffee Day Beverages, Fresh Grounds, and Taglin. Now these are the financial trends. So this is because of what the lockdown, but last year the profit was high as compared to the 2019, but now this can be again this can be move up because of what, again the lockdown open. Now low pledge, that is zero pledge, mutual fund holding also constant, promoter holding also constant. Now this is regarding what Coffee Day Enterprises. Now you can see here financial. When you click here financial, you can get the financial data. Now it is up to you whether to buy this stock or not. I am just giving the advice as a means just educational purpose. Now let us see this stock on the graph. Okay, what will it say? Coffee Day. Okay, Coffee Day, if you see this Coffee Day graph, it is at the 50 level, means the 50 high mark on in what the July. After that it sharply fall towards the 25, means almost 20, 50% fall in what the August, and again it starts, it's moving towards the upward side. Now how we can predict? Because of this candle, pin bar candle. Now once this pin you can see the pin bar candle, it's starts towards the uptrend. Now there is a volume consideration in the last session. So here the closing price is 32.20. Now if you want to buy this stock, you can buy above 33. Okay, place the stop loss at around 29, okay, almost 29.50, and you can keep the target. First target is 36, second target is 40. This is what the short term. And if you want to keep for the long term, you can keep this stock for the long term also. So long term target you can keep 50. First target is 36, second 40, then 45, and then what the next is 50. Now this is regarding what the coffee D. The second stock in my mind is Radico Khaitan, very well known stock. Okay, currently it is overvalued. Overvalued means it is costly stock, but fundamentally it is a good stock. Okay, in 1 week it has given almost 0.5%, and in 1 month almost less than 0.5%. Now but if you see long term graph, it has given what 120%, means almost 120%, means doubled your money. So what is important here? Entry point is good time to consider. No red flag, small cap company. Now what is products? Alcoholic beverages, consumer staples. Okay, PE ratio and the sector PE ratio. The sector P is almost 50. It's Radico Khaitan P is 43.24, slightly higher side. Okay, also you can see the financial trends. Financial trends are always in this stock is always upward direction. Revenue is upward, profit is also upward direction. Mutual fund, see, increase mutual fund holding. So mutual fund has increased their holding in this stock, okay, in last 3 months by 1.44 percentage. So no doubt this stock is having good fundamentals. You can keep this stock in your portfolio for the long period also. Let us see on the chart what will it say. Radico Khaitan. Okay, now see, its trend is upward. Okay, and it is taking the support on the what 20-day moving exponential average. So it is always taking the first 20-day moving, and then if it is break, then the 50-day moving exponential moving average. But now the stock is at the support level. Now if you want to buy this stock, you can buy this stock, okay, above 900. Okay, so this is what the level above 900, and you can place the stop loss around 865, 864. Okay, so this is the means buying level as well as the stop loss level. And the target is open because the stock is having good fundamentals. So you can, your first target should be 940 to 950, and then the target is open. But my suggestion is keep this stock in portfolio for the longer for long duration perspective. Okay, so this is regarding the today's video. If you like this video, smash it button, share, like and subscribe. Bye bye for now.